Here I'm going to break down one of the trade that I have taken and followed through the trend and close the trade when the trend was about to end. So that's what we are going to break down here, and I'm going to show you one of the trade that I was taking and then running through the entire trade. This is a trading view chart. It's NQ. It's shown in 1 minute Heikin-Ashi view. I mostly follow Heikin-Ashi chart. It gives me nice trend reversals and then where the price points are. And I follow 1 minute and then 15 seconds. Given that NQ is pretty much heavily traded, and the variations, the price variations in NQ is pretty fast, and even at $10, you will be able to see it in 1 15-second candle itself. So I pretty much pace out my entry exits based on 15 seconds, and at the 1 minute, I try to look at the chart and then try to run with the trend. And on Friday morning, before the market opens, we were here. We are looking at the price points like it is keep hitting 15,000 multiple times, and then kind of coming down to 14,980. And there is a $20 range here, and it's pretty much it's a range trading from since 8 o'clock until the market opens and then runs for another 10 more minutes. So if you look at the chart, it's not fully loaded with multiple indicators. It's pretty much two indicators customized based on my need. And I just use these indicators for trading purpose. And you will not see moving averages bigger, it's a moving average basically. But you will not see, lots of moving average and then, support resistance level and all of that. So we look at the 1 minute and then various other time frames in the live trading, and then pace out where to enter and then where to exit based on 15 seconds and 1 minute chart. So as I said, the market was in the range trade until 1510. I was waiting for the price points to kind of go above 1510, and after that take the trade and then run along with the trade. And how long or how far it can grow is the question mark once you enter. And we were able to identify how far the longer side will go based on our daily chart. And I'm just showing the daily chart here, and then the candle formations. Heikin-Ashi this is. And this candle wasn't there. It was kind of, forming, in fact. So before the market opens, we were at 15,000 range. So we were expecting the price to kind of, hit at least 1550 based on the indicators, what I have. And this is a slow moving average. This is a slow moving average. This is a fast moving average. And based on that, we were expecting the price will hit 1550. And that's what pretty much happened. If you see this here, we're aiming for like 50, 60, 65, somewhere around. And with 1 minute chart, before the market opens, we're aiming for the price to kind of first clear this range, the 1510 range. And once the price moved up, we entered into the trade. I'll also show you the trade and then run it along. The trade is available in the short video. You can look at it, but I'm going to put the trade later in the. We entered somewhere around like 15, 14, somewhere around 15, 20, somewhere around. And then we let the trade run up until like, $15,050. A nice close to $40 capture, around like 6,000 to 8,000, $30 to $40 capture on this entire trend. And once it hit 1550, we closed the trade. And the reason behind us, as looking at the various other time frame, and knowing that where it can, how far it can grow, and where it can reverse. All of that is kind of discussed before even the trade kind of materializes here. And we captured this entire trend in one trade. Just entered above 1510, 15,010, and then we just let the trade go up until 15,050, then close the trade, and then expected a reversal. Similar thing happened. And if you go to the live trading archives in the channel, you can see that all those things, including the growth and in the how far the the long side can be, and before even the reversal started, and we were talking about reversals, and how far we can pace out reversal and all of that. This is one very nice trade. I'll show this trade and then walk you through the process. Then another trade we took somewhere around this region, somewhere around, I believe, like this region, where a nice trade was taken, and then there was one more trade taken here. And if you look at the 15 seconds, that the nice upside materializing, you'll be able to see. This is a 15-second chart, and if you look at seconds, somewhere here, once the price is broken 1510, and then we let the trade run up until 1550. This entire trend was captured, and the second trade was taken over here, and it's not like a $40-50 run, but it's still a nice amount of run from 85 up until like to the exact dollar we closed actually in both the trades. This is closed at 15,010, where entry was around like 14,984, and this was closed at that range. And there is this trade also was taken, but this came at like close to 10 o'clock. We do the live streaming from 8:15 till 10 o'clock, so we just let the trade kind of go as is. But these two are the main ones which was shown and then discussed in the live stream about why do we have to enter. So if you see the chart, it's primarily two indicators. One, fast moving average, and second one is slow moving average. It's a bit customized based on my need, and we just enter into the trade if the moving averages helps me with the long side. I'm a long side trader. I don't do short trades, so I don't trade on the bearish side. But I wait for the setup to come into play, and then wait for both my moving averages give me green signal so that I can enter into the trade. And the similar thing, the second trade is over here, right? And instead of pacing out based on 1 minute, the second trade was based purely on the 15-second chart. So where the entry where we know that it might kind of come and hit like 1510, and then it will kind of drop down and then consolidate here. So and then after these two trades, and we were kind of watching the market and then talking about the price ranges, highlighting that how long the trade can grow. This is the trade I'm talking about, and I'm just running the trade that is done in the live streaming, where we entered at somewhere here. This is a 15-second chart. What is showing up here in the trade is 15-second chart. This is a 1 minute chart, where somewhere here like 16, 17, 13, we entered into the trade, and we are waiting for the consolidation and then breakout to come into play. Okay, let me go to the 15-second chart, where it will be pretty visible for you. Okay? So this is where is the consolidation, and we entered it here around like this range, somewhere like this range, like 14, and then from there we are nicely moving up, and then you see that the sell limit for that order is already placed for 15,050, and where we expected the price will kind of hit. There it is. Okay. If you would like to learn about this trading methodology, please join the live stream from 8:15 a.m. to 10 a.m. Central Time. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.